Simon, can you tell me all the words you know?
Yes.
Can you say mouse?
Mouse.
And moose?
Mouse.
And horse?
Us.
Nice.
Yes.
You say choose?
Tus.
Choose.
Tus.
Can you say octopus?
Apples.
Octopus. Can you say banana?
Banana.
Say apple?
Apple.
Can you say, what else do you know how to say? Can you say bath?
Pa.
You can't say that. Can you say frog?
Sa.
You say fox.
Fatty.
Wow. Can you say far far?
Papa.
Say murmur.
Mama.
You say hey hey.
Ha
Ha ha. Can you say autos?
Autos.
You speak German, do you?
Autos.
Autos. Can you say please?
Please.
Oh, that's really good. Can you say Dankeschön?
Tattis.
Hmm.
Tus.
Choose.
Feta.
How do you say ice cream?